A sunny morning in the backyard of a farmhouse.
This is the perfect day for creative inspiration.
Come on, guys. Let's make sand statue of ourselves.
Buffalo, bull and bison, upon hearing this, all began to cheer. The lion and elephant are watching from behind the barn.
Let's start the sand sculpture competition.
Everyone rushes to grab tools, spoons, buckets, even leaves. And everyone started sculpting their own sand statue.
This is going to be my greatest sand sculpture. What do you think, Elephant? This competition is in my control, or should I say, in my paw.
Hey Lion, I'm going to build a life-size version of myself. Maybe two. The elephant sculpture surpasses everyone.
Mine looks like a horned potato. I'll lose the game.
Hey, Buffalo. Don't worry. You can expect good things for this.
The lion sculpture looks perfect until the wind dramatically blows away the mane. Everyone's sculptures start to break one by one. Come on, guys. Let's build a big statue together. Let's call it the Unity Animal. Everyone together creates a large sculpture: cow spots, lion's mane, elephant trunk, horse tail. The last sand statue glows in the sunset, looking beautiful and funny. Wow, what a beautiful day in the field. Here comes the farmer's horse. And the farmer bison too.
Hey Bison, it's the day we take the cows to the farm care center.
Oh no, they're coming! No, I don't want to go to the hospital. I'm going to hide behind the hay.
Please don't take me there. I'm afraid of that truck.
Come on, Bison. Get them into the truck.
Okay, boss. I'm on that job.
Bison, I have an idea. Come on, cows. Follow me. Who wants this grass?
Oh my God! What is going on here?
Come on, guys. Let's get out of here.
Oh no, the farm is in disarray.
Now the cows can easily enter the truck.
This is the perfect time to catch those cow in a truck.
Help me, someone. I don't want to go there.
Help us.
Job done.
Bison, it's an amazing job. Well done.
Help us. Help.
One day, Super Buffalo and Super Cow stand opposite each other and show off their powers. A loud roar wakes the bison with a big jolt.
What is going on here?
Who is that? What are you doing here?
Who are you to question us?
You both are unworthy of superpowers.
Abracadabra!
Oh my God, what is going on here?
I'm not feeling my power in my body.
I took your power. You both are unfit of those superpowers.
The cow and the buffalo sighed and sat sadly. A few days later, the cow and the buffalo were walking slowly together up the hillside. Suddenly, the ground shakes. A farm at the top of the hills are cracked and bent due to the earthquake. The entire group tumbled down the hill due to the earthquake. Both the cow and the buffalo leaped forward without thinking.
Come on, guys. We need to get to a safe place.
Are you all okay now?
Thank you, cow and buffalo, for saving us.
I am very proud of you for saving so many lives.
The cow and buffalo regained their superpower, and all the animals cheered loudly and danced happily. All animals relaxing happily. Cow looks around, notices her calf is missing.
Cow, what happened? Where is baby cow?
Something is going on here.
Let's find him.
Yes! Oh no!
All animals gather the clues in a circle. They scratch heads, thinking very hard.
Yes!
Let's talk to the elephant.
Oh my God, it's a T-Rex. They got some clues and walked towards the baby cow.
Oh my God!
Few moments later, calf is with a brachiosaurus playing happily. Cow rushes forward, relieved.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Oh, yeah!
In a forest, Super Cow lived with cunning animals who always bother others.
Hey, guys, look! The lion and tiger are going.
Let's disturb the super cow.
Help! Someone! Help us! What happened, guys?
Oh my God!
There is nothing happened. Okay, guys, now you are safe from any danger. Don't be afraid.
Guys, here he comes again.
Hey, super cow, save me! Save me!
Help! Help us!
What is going on here?
Hey, stop there! How dare you to attack my friends?
What is he talking about?
I don't understand either.
You can't attack them while I'm here.
Super cow, we lied to you about the attack.
What?
We lied to you about the attack.
How dare you to mess with me? Okay, guys, I'll take care of them. No one can save you from me now.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Huh? Oh no!
Oh, come on, man.
Oh no!
I have an idea.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god!
Yes!
Oh my god! Oh no! Come on, guys, let's go!
I'm very, very hungry.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Help me! Oh my god. Come on, guys, let's go! Oh no!
Few days later,